Yes, hello Ben, this is Ray, and I wanted to go over your new website with you and how you can edit your new website. We've already gone over your website previously, so I'm not going to spend too much time going over the layout and the features of the website. But this is your home page here. You have a nice slider on the home page which goes through different pictures and headlines, and then you have your main navigation here, which will go to the various pages of your website. Uh, and then up here you have your navigation links as well, going to the various pages and subpages of your website as well. Um, so what I'm about to show you in this video is how to edit the individual pages. It's really very easy to do. Your previous website didn't give you however, this new website that I set up for you does give you an easy way to edit the website using a visual editor that's very simple to use. You'll notice that on every page of your website I have your Facebook page popping up, encouraging people to join your Facebook network. They can very easily click out of that. So this is an individual page of your website. On the right you have your translation drop down. Now this translation drop down is not 100% accurate. I cannot control that. It's powered by Google and it's only as accurate as Google's language engine. You have your frequently asked questions, satisfaction guaranteed, and then your shopping cart here to the right showing you what you have in your shopping cart. For example, if you're on the product page, you can add items to your shopping cart and it'll update here. So for example, I just added something to my shopping cart. Now I have a new total here. And again, it's very easy for you to edit your website. What I'm going to do is now show you how you can do that. Simply, one thing I also want to show you before I get to that, frequently asked questions. You have your frequently asked questions page here. You click on a question and you'll drop down to the answer. I'm going to show you how to edit these as well. It's very easy to do. So what you do is you go to your control panel. Now I've already emailed you your username and password, so I'm not going to repeat that here. But what you do is simply log in, and when you log in you'll be presented with a very simple page here that shows you to the to the left you have your pages, you have your frequently asked questions, and then to the right here in this empty area will be your tutorial videos, one of which is the one I'm creating for you now. So if you want to edit a page, for example, let's say you want to edit the What is Club TV page. Let's say you want to edit this page. It's very easy to do so. What you do is go here to Pages, All Pages, find the page that you want to edit, which is right here, What is Club TV Pad. Click on Edit. And here's some tips. You want to always make sure that you have 3 rows of buttons here. If you only have 2, such as in this case, click on this icon and a third will drop down. I'm not going to go over what every one of these icons means because when you put your mouse over it, it'll tell you. Always make sure you're in the Visual tab, never in the HTML. HTML is not very user-friendly. But in the Visual tab you can use a very familiar visual editor to edit the content or put in your own content. You can even add pictures like I've done here. And if you ever typed up a letter using Microsoft Word, this should look very familiar to you. What you do is simply enter your text, You can edit your text, you can make it centered, you can make it a heading, change colors, whatever you like. You can insert images next to your text. And really what you do is you just simply edit the content, and what you do is once you're done editing the content, simply click update. I would leave these page attributes alone. There's no reason for you to adjust these settings. If you do, you could throw the framework of the site off, and I don't suggest that you edit any of these settings or anything below the visual editor. You're primarily going to just be editing the name of the page, the content here, and then once you're done, click update. When you click update, if you refresh this page, you'll see that the changes will take effect right away. Right here, as you see, this is what we just added. So it's very easy for you to edit the content. Let's go ahead and enter a picture. What you can do is simply click here, find a picture on your computer that you want to put. For example, we'll just put this really quick just for this example. I always like to put my pictures full size and then resize them a different way. You can select whether you want it left aligned, centered. Let's go ahead and insert it. If you click on the picture, this is what I like to do. If you click on it, you can drag the picture to a smaller size, put it wherever you like. If you click update and then refresh, you'll see that now the changes have, this is what we just put in here. So let's take this back out and make this the way it was. Click update, and you can see it's very quick and easy to edit the website. Let's go ahead and hit refresh, and you'll see that the changes are now back to the way they were. Okay, so that's how you edit your pages. Creating a new page is very easy. Simply click on Add New. You enter the name of the page. We'll put New Page. You'll put the content here. And then what you do, this is the one time that you can adjust these attributes. If you want this page to be a sub-page of a different page, you can select sub-page. For example, of questions and answers, you can do that. 99% of the time it'll just be no parent, a page of its own, a new page. Click Publish. And then you can view the page. And this is the new page. Right now it's nothing because we didn't put anything in there. Maybe we can add an headline. And if we hit refresh, you can see that now we have a headline. And then your content goes here. So very easy. Let's go ahead and delete this page. Very easy for you to edit and add pages. So all you do is find the page you want to edit, start editing. There's a page you want to add, simply click Add New, put in the title, fill in the content, and the new page will take form using the layout that I've set up for your website. And this is the end of this particular video.